Hi everyone, it's Shell here from Designs by Shell. Thanks for joining me today. I hope everyone's doing great. It's a nice sunny day here and got out for a little bike ride. So that was a good way to start the day. And today I've got some kind of fun cards that are a summer theme, maybe a bit of a travel theme, and some sweets like ice cream cones and donuts and popsicles. So I've used these this package of chipboard die cuts that I just picked up last year at the dollar store, and they're quite cute. There's some donut shapes in here, some ice cream cones. There's one, and some popsicles. There's one there, and it's got some watermelons in. I've used everything except for the watermelons today. So I'm going to show you the cards that I created with those. So here's the first one. I've used my large rectangle die as the background, and it's got the holes around it for accent. And then I just layered on a couple of the chipboard die cuts with the donut and the popsicle there, and added a label and stamped on there, "You're so sweet," and just added a couple little hearts and a little dot on there just to dress it up a little bit. So that's the first one. And with these, each one I made a gift tag to kind of match. So here's the first one I did to match this one. It's the same background paper as I've used here, kind of a wavy design in a kind of rose and pinks and gold. And so I added the kind of popsicle, or if you want to call it a fudgesicle or whatever you want to call it, on there. And then I used my some old embroidery thread that from days gone by, and I pulled that out and used that for the little ties. So I had some pink for this, and I just threaded that through, punched a hole in the end of my tag that I die cut out, and so there's that. So that's the first one. It's kind of nice to have a little matching set. It'd be cute to give someone. So here's the second one. Everything is better with sprinkles. I stamped on there and layered that up on a couple different cutouts there. And it's a fun background with polka dots on there. And then I just used one big donut on there and a couple of little puffy ones that I had from another package. So that turned out cute. And then for the matching one on here, that donut was a little bit too big to go on here. So I just thought, well, I'll just keep it a summer treat theme and put the popsicle on this particular tag there. So that's that. There's the second one. And here's the third one here. So this one says, it's kind of a wood grain background. It's kind of cool. And I made, cut out one of the tags and put the ice cream cone right on the tag, and then attach that right to the background. So I thought that was kind of fun, and I added the little string on there and tucked it under and taped it, or used adhesive to put it down there as well. So that kind of gives another neat little effect. I stamped on some little flowers in 2 shades of purple on there, and this one already had this on it. It said, "Always take the scenic route." So I thought that was perfect because, you know, it's nice to take a little summer drive and stop for ice cream. Everybody likes to do that once in a while. So that's that one. And then I made the matching tag here, the same paper, and the ice cream cone on there as well. And then I used some purple embroidery thread to thread through the hole there, and just kind of frayed the ends a little bit. Just kind of gave it a neat look. So there's that. Whoops. And then here's the last one I've done here. This one's a little bit brighter, a little bit busier, but I just kind of was playing around. And I used some pink background paper with just kind of a whimsical, or not whimsical, but kind of a fun design on there. Little flowers, I guess it is. And then used the wave pattern on the tag there that I've cut out. Added the little embroidery floss on there. I thought I'd just leave a little piece on. It's kind of a little accent on there. And then this one I used the ice cream cone chipboard die cut, and then a little, I just cut this cupcake one out myself. I didn't have a pattern or anything. I just kind of randomly cut that out. Added some stickers on here, some kind of sparkly adhesive stickers on there. And then these were stickers as well from a package that I had. So just some fun words. It says birthday and fun on there. So yeah, so that's that one. Now this one I haven't made the matching tag yet, so I thought that's something I'll do and show you quickly how I did that. Okay, so here's my tag that I cut out. This one is just a pink background. It's got some little pink roses on there. And then I've got the ice cream cone I'm gonna use for this. And I've got some adhesive tape on the back of that. I'm just gonna put that on the center of there. And I'm gonna take some of this little pink embroidery thread here. Just snip a little piece off. And I'm gonna thread that through the hole here. This particular tag had the holes already punched in it when I die cut it out, so that was kind of nice. So it goes through like that, and then I just tie another little knot there. And then if you want to kind of pull these apart, it just kind of gives a little frayed look because they come in like, I think there's like 6 strands in here, something like that. So it just kind of gives them a neat little look on the end there. And then for the back, so that's pretty quick, eh? And then for the back here, well, this one actually is blank on the back, but some of them, yeah, that one is. Where's my other ones here? This one had another pattern on the back. So I thought, well, if someone wanted to write on it, you need a kind of a white space. So I used just a little rectangle die cut that I had here, and I put that on the back like that. But we won't need to do it for the one we just did, but that's just to show you what you could do. So that's my cards and my tags today, and I hope you enjoyed that and got some inspiration, and hope your day goes well. We'll see you next time. Bye for now.